Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Ontraport. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Ontraport you can add new contacts and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where we want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Ontraport, Add Contacts. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Ontraport account to the Save My Leads service. In this window, you need to specify the API key and app ID. To get this data, go to your Ontraport personal account. Next, go to the Account Settings. Administration section. Go to the Integrations section. Select the Ontraport API instructions and Key Manager item. Click on the new API key. Check all the boxes. Specify a name for the new key. Copy the API key and app ID, and paste them into the appropriate fields in the Save My Leads service. When the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the Ontraport fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Ontraport as new contacts for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Ontraport. After successful sending, go to Ontraport and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly sent to Ontraport as new contacts, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.